Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Today I'm sharing a simple yet delicious one-pot meal and comfort food made with rice and yellow lentils. It has a medley of flavorful spices and the goodness of vegetables. So let's get started. Combine rice and moong dal and wash until water runs clear. Heat oil in a pressure cooker over medium heat. Add in the dry spices to the oil and saute until you get a nice aroma. You can add in the spices of your choice. Now add in onions and green chilies and saute for a minute. Now add in the cut tomato pieces. Saute and cook the tomatoes until they are soft. Now add in a little ginger garlic paste. This gives a nice aroma to the khichdi. You can skip it if you don't like the taste of ginger garlic. Saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Now add rest of the vegetables and mix well. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Give it a nice stir. Now let's add in some spices. Add in turmeric powder, required salt, and red chilli powder. You can adjust according to your spice levels. Add in some freshly chopped coriander and mint leaves and give it all a nice mix. Now add the rice dal mixture and mix well. You can substitute rice with basmati rice, brown rice, or quinoa or any other millets. The recipe remains exactly the same. And give it all a nice mix. Now add required water. You can stick to the 1:2 ratio or you can add 1:2.5 in case you want the khichdi to be slightly on the softer side. And give it all a nice mix. Finally, adjust salt, close the pressure cooker and cook for about 1 to 2 whistles and then turn off the heat. Open the lid once the pressure subsides completely from the pressure cooker. Give it a nice mix and serve hot with any raita. You just need to have a few basic ingredients from your pantry and you're all set to make the most yummy vegetable masala khichdi in just a jiffy. Trust me. And it's really very filling and it's very useful, especially during this lockdown period. It tastes delicious on its own, but having a raita on the side doesn't hurt. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and share it with your family and friends. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on other social media platforms. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me Padma signing off.